Parejeda, and every week I'm getting crafty and nerding out with a new geeky DIY project for you guys. If that sounds awesome, hit that subscribe button down below to join our nerd DIY family. Today I'm really excited to bring you a DIY that's based on the new Animal Crossing New Horizons game from Nintendo. Now, I don't have a Nintendo, so I haven't been able to play the new game, but I have been using the Pocket app on my phone where you can make your own campsite, and it's kind of just like a little mini version of New Horizons. It's so cute. I love all the animals and I love being able to make my campsite look super cute and do all the different tasks, and it's super fun. So today I wanted to do a cute DIY based on this game. So we're going to be making some magnets that you can decorate your refrigerator with, all based on different things that you can get from the game, from the fruits to the fossils to the bell bag. It's all really cute. So let's get a little bit nerdy and make some magnets.
So the first thing that we need for our project is our template. You can find that linked down below and we'll have all the different shapes that you need for this project. Then you're just going to cut these out and we're going to use them to make our pieces. So I'm starting off here with the banana shape, and you're just going to grab a yellow piece of felt and pin your template onto the top of the felt. I did this so there wouldn't be any leftover residue from like a pen or chalk or something like that. And then you're just going to cut around the edges so that you have the outside of your bananas all cut out. Then you're just going to do this exact same thing with the rest of your shapes. And you're going to use the different color felts that go with those shapes. So orange for the orange, red for the apple, red for the cherries, green for the pear, and so on and so forth. And you're just going to cut around the edges and make sure that you have these all cut out, matching the template. Now it's time to cut out our inner shapes. So we're going to take our shape templates and we're going to cut out the inner shapes that are on the template so that we can add some more detail. For the banana, these inner shapes are white, so we're going to put them on some white felt, and we're going to trace around these because pinning them on was just too difficult, so I gave up and I just traced around them with a pencil. You can flip these over and do them opposite way, and then that way the pencil won't show as much when you put these onto your pieces. So that's what I did for the other pieces. The banana, I didn't think about it until after I did it. Once you get these cut out, you're going to grab some fabric glue and you're going to glue these pieces onto their corresponding places as shown in the template, and then let this dry completely. And you're just going to do the same exact thing that we did with the banana to the rest of the shapes. You're going to use the different colors of felt that correspond to each different piece. In the template, it will tell you which colors to use for each piece, so go ahead and just follow that. Once you have all of your pieces dried and glued together, we're going to grab some magnets that have a sticky back on them. We're going to turn over all of our pieces so we can stick our magnets on. You're just going to peel away the adhesive section of the magnet and then just stick it on to the back of your felt piece. Super simple and super easy. If you feel like it's not sticking enough, you can go ahead and use some hot glue to glue this on. It just really depends. Like, these worked out fine for me, but you may want some extra oomph on there. So go ahead and put some hot glue there if you feel like you need it. For the cherry piece, the magnets I had were a little bit too big, so all I did was cut it up with my scissors into corresponding shapes that would fit the cherry much better. And once you have those, they're all ready to go, and you can just stick them onto your refrigerator and have the cutest magnets to represent Animal Crossing on your refrigerator.
Enjoyed this project. I think my favorite magnets of the bunch are probably the peach magnet or the fossil magnet. I just really like how they turned out. They're so super cute. If you guys do end up making this project, send pictures my way by tagging me on Twitter, or Instagram, or any of that good stuff. I love seeing what you guys think, and I would love for you to tag me in those. I'll see you guys next week for another DIY project where we get crafty and nerd out.